Super excited to show this today. This is the newest 9-speed model that I just printed off, still printing the internals. But I also wanted to show a little bit about the prototype progression. So this was the first 6-speed model that I prototyped. This is the first time this type of gear set has ever been used anywhere, and I learned a lot of things during prototyping this that I moved on to apply to this 9-speed transmission. I'm sure you all have seen this, posted a lot of content showing how well it works. I was actually going to manufacture this model, but I didn't get funded, and I figured I'd just spend a couple more months and make it even better. So that's what I did here. It's basically identical, but there's a few minor changes. I estimate this one will hold around 2,000 foot-pounds of torque. It has a 4-wheel drive adapter for a NP205 transfer case, and it uses this new really cool control. So it has 9 available ratios, but you can use any of the ratios and you can skip gears. So if you wanted a 4-speed, turn it to 4-speed, or if you wanted a 6-speed short, just turn it to 6-speed short or 6-speed long. This also has built-in engine overrev protection, so you can't downshift too far accidentally. It uses a DCT e-shifter to control the gears, and it has clutch-by-wire, so you don't need an external clutch or an external torque converter. This transmission also allows rapid downshift. So I had a guy message me, and he wanted to know if he could hook his brake switch up to this. So if he's coming in the corner and say 9th gear, and he wanted to downshift to 2nd gear, he could just push the brake in, and at a certain pressure, it'll just auto downshift to the lowest possible gear without over-revving the engine. And that's definitely possible with this. So I'm running it on pneumatic pressure. For bench testing, the actual transmission uses hydraulic pressure. So it comes out this port here, goes to the external filter, comes out of the filter, goes through this hole in the bell housing, feeds the in port, goes through the pump, comes out the outlet port, and then feeds the hydraulic solenoids. So it should be really cool. I'm really happy with how it came out. Again, I'm still printing the internals, but just wanted to show a quick video with all 3 transmissions on the same table. Stay tuned for more updates.